Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to reset camera settings on the POCO M5 smartphone. The camera on the POCO M5 is one of the key features that make this smartphone stand out. However, at times, you might encounter issues with the camera settings. And the best way to fix these problems is to reset the camera settings. Resetting the camera settings on your POCO M5 smartphone is quite simple and can be done in just a few steps. The first thing you need to do is to open the camera app by tapping on its icon. The camera app icon is usually located on the home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have the camera app open, the next step is to access the camera settings. You can do this by tapping on the menu icon represented by 3 short horizontal lines. This icon is usually located in the top left or right corner of the camera app's main screen. Next, locate and then tap Settings from the succeeding menu items. Just look for the gear icon and then tap on it to get to the App Settings menu. In the camera app settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap Restore Default Settings. You will then be prompted to confirm the action. Review the warning prompt, then tap OK to confirm. Once you confirm, the camera settings on your POCO M5 smartphone will be reset to their default values. This means that all your previous custom settings for the camera app are deleted while the default values and camera options are restored. And that's it. Resetting the camera settings on your POCO M5 smartphone is a quick and easy way to fix any camera issues you might encounter. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.